search to find for you. I do that three.
Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Micaiah Vanier, and I am a work-from-home insurance agent, and I film my work-from-home days for you all for your enjoyment. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Monday, April 1st. We have made it into a new month, a new quarter. Also, if you all celebrated Easter yesterday, happy Easter to you and your family. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all were able to get in the Word and just fellowship and just celebrate the life of Jesus. But yeah, welcome back to another vlog. If you did not notice, I did not film last week. Last week got a little real for me. It was very, very hectic. Even though I know y'all seen on the last, it would be 2 vlogs ago now. Like that Monday was super hectic when I was training. Yeah, the week following, complete dumpster fire, okay? But nonetheless, I am back and I am happy to be back filming and vlogging and get it back into a routine. Like I said, it's a new month, new vibes, new routines, new everything. I just wanted to jump on here and start the vlog off for today. I don't really have too much on the agenda. I believe that I might be training today again, but we'll see. Outside of that, I just have a lot of schoolwork to catch up on that I'm gonna kind of let y'all watch, because I realized I never really showed y'all like what I do after work as far as school goes. And a lot of you do know I am finishing my bachelor's degree in business marketing. So yeah, your girl got homework. So I will probably let y'all see that today. It's very gloomy out today. So I'm kind of sad about that, because I kind of wanted to go outside and like go for a walk or something. But nonetheless, I live in Kentucky. The weather can change at any moment. About to get everything pulled up. It is 8:17 now. And so I'm just about to get everything pulled up and connected and everything. But I did also want to show y'all my new wallpaper for the month of April, because I do switch my wallpaper up every month just because we need new vibes, okay? So let me show y'all. So this is the wallpaper for April. These are free downloads. The website is The Every Girl, and this is what the website looks like. For those of you who are interested, like she has different templates and backgrounds for every month or whatever, but this is the one that I chose. You can go to her website. I'll leave a link down in the description box if you all are interested in some cool backgrounds, like to switch out your vibes every month. And some of them have calendars, some of them don't. I prefer the one with the calendar because it just makes my life easy. So yeah, I'll leave it linked down in the description box so that you all can check that out. But yeah, other than that, I'm about to get everything situated so I can get my day started within the next 10 minutes. So yeah, talk to y'all soon. Well, y'all, it looks like today is gonna be a lot. I know that I'm supposed to be training today. I don't really know what the full training schedule looks like, which is why I'm trying to get in contact with my team lead, because she's handling all the scheduling with that. But then also too, I didn't realize I had so many cases that I had to review today. I literally have 17 to review today, and some of them I might be able to close, but one of them I might have to escalate, just because people don't like the answers. Like, ma'am, you didn't have your paperwork on file, we can't backdate it. So I might have to escalate that one up to my team lead. So we shall see. Yeah, but other than that, I'm just trying to figure out what it is that I need to do. It's 8:40. I don't know where my team lead went, and I have my coworker that's like waiting on me. He's a good person. I think that he's just very eager to learn, which is normal. And I don't have a problem with it, but I don't like feeling like I don't like feeling like I'm behind, and I don't like feeling like I have to rush. Even though like it's not my fault per se, I feel like I'm being rushed. And I don't like that feeling, especially early in the morning, because like I'm just trying to get my day going. Like y'all seen I had a nice little flow this morning. So yeah, I'm just trying to keep that and keep positive energy going. So yeah, let me try to figure this out, and I will check in with y'all in a little bit, and let y'all know how my day is going. All right, y'all. So it is 1:20 now. I've already taken my lunch break and everything. I'm getting signed back in. I'm about to work on my backlog of cases. I just kind of want to come in and like check in with y'all for the day. Today has been a very like, I guess, questionable Monday. It's been smooth as far as the training and stuff goes, but it's kind of like also been like a lot. I think I just kind of got overstimulated just a little bit, because we've had a lot of crazy cases, crazy people calling, just different stuff. So yeah, I am about to get back to work now though. Like I said, I'm about to work on these open cases that I have. I just wanted to check in with y'all. Oh, I did have Chick-fil-A for lunch. If y'all were wondering, I had the Cobb salad, the fried, what's it called? The Cobb salad with the chicken nuggets, and honey mustard dressing. Top tier salad from Chick-fil-A. Hold the tomatoes though, because we don't do tomatoes. But yeah, let's see. Outside of that, like just pushing through the day. I have a few more hours to go, and then your girl is free. So yeah, I'm about to get back to work, and I'll check in with y'all in a little bit. All right, what's up, y'all? It is much later. It's like 6:30 now. I got off work about 5, but honey, I needed time to decompress. So today was very much hectic. It was just a hectic day, like with training and dealing with clients and stuff like that. It was just a crazy Monday. Um, but nonetheless, I'm so happy to be off. I'm about to go to the grocery store now because I need to cook dinner, even though I don't feel like cooking dinner. But it's like, you know how like you don't feel like cooking, but then it's also like nothing that sounds appealing like to eat, like fast food. So I'm gonna go to the grocery store, pick up some stuff to make dinner, and then go from there. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me for that. And yeah, I'll check in with y'all when I get back. All right, y'all. So I'm coming on here like mid grocery run because I went to Walmart. I got a lot of stuff at Walmart that I needed. Um, but I also need like a few more like regular grocery items that I don't buy at Walmart. So I was like, let me go to Aldi, like because everybody talks about going to Aldi. They have cheap deals and stuff. I went in there, absolute waste of my time. I don't like the way the store is set up. The food just looks like picked over, like just thrown there. It's like, who set this up and why do people shop here? So now I have to go to Kroger, which is fine. I was gonna go to Kroger anyway, but still, it's like I wasted my money. And then y'all charge people a quarter to get these baskets, and it's like I paid a quarter to get a basket for your food to be thrown around. Like, what the hell? So I can't see myself being an Aldi girl. I'm sorry. Like, it's just not gonna happen for me. I'm gonna stick to Kroger and Walmart and call it a day because I can't. All right, y'all. So I'm back from the grocery store, and I just want to do a quick grocery haul of what I got at the grocery store. I didn't really do a full shop, so it's not really, too much. I just picked up some things to get me through the next couple weeks. I got some chicken drumsticks because I'm making, I don't know if I told y'all, I'm making smothered chicken tonight with rice and cornbread. So, gotta have chicken. Then I'm gonna make the smother with the cream of chicken and mushrooms. So I got 2 of those. Got some shredded cheese for like my eggs and stuff. Turkey for like sandwiches, wraps, cereal because I like cereal. Lucky Charms is like my vibe right now. Normally, like my favorites are like Fruit Loops. Like Fruit Loops is my all-time favorite. I did get a couple of these little frozen meals because sometimes you be hungry, child, and you just need something quick. Bananas, strawberries, cranberry juice, Sprite. Now these right here, these babies, oh, these be having me in a chokehold. I normally buy the big box, like buy them in bulk at Sam's, but I didn't go to Sam's today, obviously. But these specifically, this flavor, oh my gosh, top tier. Thank me later. So if you haven't tried any Outshine fruit bars, really all of them's good. I like the strawberry, the grape, as well as the tangerine. But the pineapple one, oh, it just does something to me with the real pineapple chunks in it. So highly, highly, highly recommend. Go get you some. And then lastly, I just got toaster strudels because I'm a child. And if y'all don't notice, like I really don't eat in the mornings. Like I love breakfast food, don't get me wrong, but like I don't eat early in the morning. So these will be like something to get me through like the day, to get my day started. So I can at least have something on my stomach, even though it's like packed with sugar, but neither here nor there. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got from the grocery store. I'm about to, like I said, make dinner and pretty much call it a night. So I'm gonna let y'all cook with me, and yeah, I'm gonna put all this stuff away and we'll go from there.
I got too many hoes, but I ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose.